Hello, good morning students. We just talked about evaporation. Evaporation means the heating of the water bodies, and when these water bodies they get heated up, this water it rises up as water vapor. This process is known as evaporation. Now let us talk about condensation. Now what is condensation, children? When water vapor cools down, it changes into drops of water. This is called condensation. It happens in your kitchen too. You take a pan and you take some water and keep it for boiling. After some time you see there is the bubbles, the water is getting heated up. And once it gets heated up, you see the vapor coming out, the steam coming out. Put a lid on the top of this pan. After few minutes, when you remove the lid of the pan, you will see droplets of water on the lid. That means the vapor which got heated up and rose got on the lid, and after some time it cooled down and you can see droplets of water. So children, this is called condensation. Due to the heat of the sun, the water bodies they get heated up, and this process takes some time of course, and slowly this water in the ocean, in the seas, in the rivers, lakes and ponds, they get heated up and then they start rising as water vapor. And they reach the sky to a level of atmosphere where it is very cold. Okay? There is this heat of the sun is not there. It is very cold over there. And so this water vapor that cools up and it forms water. I'll show you, this is condensation. Due to the heat of the sun, the water bodies they get warmed up and they rise as a form of water vapor, and then this condensation takes place, it cools down, and this water vapor it forms into droplets of water, and then it comes down as perspiration, that is your rain, isn't it? So in your cloud you have water, and when this condensation takes place, the water gets heavier, this means cloud gets heavier, and then they come down as drops of rain, as called precipitation. Children, I'll just show you another book. This is your condensation and evaporation. As you can see, the surface of the water, they get heated up and they are evaporating, and then they get condensed. Okay, and due to this, the change in the water vapor into water, then later on they will come down as rain, called precipitation. Okay, and this precipitation means we get rainfall in different forms. It is not that only we get rain, we get this water bodies in different forms like fog, dew, frost, hail and snow. We know that water has three forms: ice, water, and you have water vapor. But in atmosphere we can see in different form like fog, dew, frost, hail and snow. So in nature we get rainfall. If it is in a very cold place, they get snowfall. In this way, different forms of your precipitation. So children, condensation, please remember, is when the water vapor which has already rose up due to the heat of the sun, they cool down and it changes into drops of water, and that forms the cloud. And then this is called condensation, and later on they come down as rain. Okay, rain or precipitation, that is in different form, which we will be discussing in the next module. Thank you.